Namaste. This is the subject of pharmaceutical analysis, and we are studying the limit test. We have studied many limit tests in previous classes, and today is the limit test of heavy metals. So let's start from the principle. So let's see the principle. Limit test of heavy metal is based on the reaction of metallic impurities with hydrogen sulfide in acidic medium to form brownish color solution. Metal that responds to this test are lead, mercury, bismuth, arsenic, antimony, tin, cadmium, silver, copper, and molybdenum. Next, the metallic impurities in the substance are expected as part of lead per million part of the substance. The usual limit as per Indian Pharmacopoeia is 20 ppm. So, heavy metals is added with hydrogen sulfide, then heavy metal sulfide with brownish color is produced. So let's see the procedure. According to the Indian Pharmacopoeia, we adopt the procedure for the test. First is method A, used for the substance which give clear colorless solution under the specific condition. So test sample and standard compound. As I told you, in the limit test we have to perform two tests or two experiment for testing the test sample and for testing the standard compound. So solution is prepared as per the monography. As I told you, this reaction, according to this, solution is prepared and 25 ml is transferred to the cylinder. Next, adjust the pH between 3 to 4 by adding the dilute acetic acid or dilute ammonium solution. If it is too acidic, then we add ammonium solution. If it is too base, then we can add acetic acid to maintain its pH 3 to 4. Then dilute it with water and make the volume, and we will make volume makeup. We will do the volume makeup to 35 ml. Add freshly prepared 10 ml of hydrogen sulfide solution in that. Next, dilute it with the water and make up the volume up to 50 ml. Then allow it to stand for 5 minutes. Then view the downward over a white surface. You can see a white surface in the downward side of the container or the test tube. Next, for the preparing of the standard compound, take 2 ml of the standard lead solution and dilute to 25 ml of water. Adjust the pH between 3 to 4 by adding dilute acetic acid or dilute ammonium solution. Dilute with water to 35 ml. Then add freshly prepared 10 ml of hydrogen sulfide solution. As we have added in the test solution, they are same as the test solution, but in this we are using a proper and standard material. Then dilute it and make the volume up to 50 ml. Then allow to stand for 5 minutes. Then view the downward over the white surface. There is a white color in downward. Next, what we observe, let's see the observation. The color produced in the sample solution should not be greater than the standard solution. Okay, so what white color must be lower than the standard solution. If the color produced in the sample solution is less than the standard solution, the sample will pass the limit test of heavy metal. Next is the method B, used for the substance which do not give clear colorless solution under the specific condition. If by testing this method A we are not getting the clear substance, then we will undergo this method B. In this, weight specific quantity of test substance moisten with sulfuric acid and ignite as a low flame until completely charred. Add few drops of nitric acid and heat to 500 degrees Celsius. Allow to cool and add 4 ml of hydrochloric acid and evaporate to dryness. Moisten the residue with 10 ml of hydrochloric acid and digest for 2 minutes. Neutralize with ammonia solution and make acidic just acid with the acetic acid. Next, adjust the pH as we have adjusted in the previous to 3 to 4. Then dilute it with the water up to 35 ml. Add freshly prepared 10 ml of the hydrogen sulfide. Then dilute it up to 50 ml. Then allow to stand for 5 minutes. Then see the white surface on the downside. And for preparing the standard compound, take 2 ml of standard lead solution and dilute to 25 ml with water. Then adjust the pH between 3 to 4 by adding the dilute acetic acid or dilute ammonium solution. Then dilute with water to 35 ml. Add freshly prepared 10 ml of the hydrogen sulfide solution. Dilute with the water to 50 ml. Then allow it to stand for 5 minutes and view the white surface downward. So in the observation, the color produced in the sample solution should not be greater than the standard. If the color produced in the sample solution is less than the standard, then it will pass the limit test. Then method C is used for the substance which give clear colorless solution in the sodium hydroxide solution. So test sample and standard in this we will make. First is solution is prepared as per the monography and 25 ml of transfer to the cylinder of weight specific amount of substance and dissolve in 20 ml of water. And add 5 ml of dilute sodium hydroxide solution in it. Make up the volume to 50 ml with water. Add 5 drops of sodium sulfide solution in the tube. Then mix and set aside for 5 minutes. View downward over a white surface. Next, we will prepare the standard compound for this. Take 2 ml of standard lead solution. Add 5 ml of diluted sodium hydroxide solution and make up the volume to 50 ml with water and add 5 drops of sodium sulfide solution. Mix and set aside for 5 ml. View downward over a white surface. Then next is the observation. The color produced in the sample solution should not be greater than the standard solution. If color produced in the sample solution is less than the standard solution, the sample will pass the limit test of the heavy metal and vice versa. Next is method 4. In this, we will prepare the standard solution by pipette. Take a pipette of 10 ml of either standard lead solution 1 parts per million or standard lead solution 2 parts per million into a small Nestler cylinder labeled as a standard. Then add 2 ml of test solution and mix it. Test solution prepare as directed in the monographic as I told you in the above test. Now by this you can prepare the test solution. Then procedure, add 2 ml of acidic buffer to pH 3.5 to each of the above Nestler cylinder and mix and add Then add thioacetamide reagent and allow to stand for 2 minutes. Compare the color by viewing vertical downward over a white surface. The color produced will be the test solution is not more than the intense than the procedure with the standard solution. So here we have completed the test for heavy metal. Hope you understand this. For any query